As the evening settles, the market begins to fade into quiet. The charts that once moved in leaps and bounds now slow, candles shrinking as volume thins. The day's rhythm softens, and in that calm there is space to think. Our trader leans back from the screen. The positions are closed or carefully managed. The rush of the New York overlap has passed, and what remains is clarity. This is the close, the moment every professional understands is just as important as the open. Because in trading, the day does not end when the market slows. It ends when the trader has learned what the market had to teach. They begin their review. Each position, each decision is looked at again with clear eyes. Where did price move as expected? Where did it surprise? The numbers tell part of the story, but the real lesson lies in understanding why. On another screen, post-close data begins to settle. Spreads widen slightly as liquidity fades. Sentiment shifts in small ways that might hint at tomorrow's tone. The trader notes how the dollar finished the day, how gold responded to risk, and where equities closed in relation to their highs. Then comes the journal, a habit that separates professionals from the rest. They write down the trades that worked, the setups that failed, and the thoughts that shaped their choices. It is not about regret. It is about growth. Each note becomes a step toward sharper awareness and better preparation for what comes next. The day's calendar turns to tomorrow. New economic data awaits, new headlines will come, and new opportunities will appear. Already, the trader begins to map the plan for the next session. Watch lists are adjusted, alerts set for the first moves of the Asian Open. There is satisfaction in this moment, the quiet pride of work done with care and purpose. Every tick, every decision, every reflection builds towards something greater than a single trade. It builds consistency, understanding, and perspective. Outside, the light fades, and the market's hum becomes a distant echo. But the cycle never truly stops. As one session ends, another begins halfway across the world. The trader closes the computer, knowing that preparation is already underway. The close is not a finish line. It is a bridge from what was learned today to what will be built tomorrow. This is where every trader grows stronger. This is where professionalism lives. And this is where the next opportunity begins. This was Market Sessions with Vestra. Trading involves risk, and returns are never guaranteed. But understanding how each session shapes the next helps you approach the market with greater awareness, balance, and insight. At Vestra, we believe that true knowledge is what connects patience with opportunity. Content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. FSP number 54718.